Every time I turn on the TV and I see Floyd on TV, I'm like, wow, this is.
But he was the first major star to have Dance with the Stars.
So do you understand the magnitude of your fan base worldwide? You not known just in America, you known worldwide. Do you understand that?
I'm gonna tell you about known worldwide, but you know also what I want to tell. I want to thank everybody. I brought everybody out, my family. You know, I'm happy. Friends, family came out because I mean, what we feel like. Well, what they say in real life, we say relatives, because I'm gonna tell you why you say relative. Because they say your family is the people that's around you every day, that you create around you every day. But your relatives is your bloodline. You can't. I mean, you can't change it for the world. You gotta accept it how it is. But as far as my fan base is unbelievable. You know, to go to Belgium, different countries and be embraced. You know, go train in London with my fan base is unbelievable. You know, you go to the boxing gym and train, and 5,000 people, you know, show up, and you know, I mean, you know, I gotta just, you know, take my hat up to my fans because it's unbelievable. You know, I do wanna walk and go to stores every day, and I do want to go to the movie theater. I want to go to the movie theater.
You want that lemon ice cream? You want to go to Woolies?
I'm real. It's unbelievable for the fans. I don't care what city I go to. I don't care what state I go to. I feel like home because they embrace me like one of their own. Now it's like this. I feel like the fans are the same. If you're a fan that don't want to see me win, if you're a fan that don't want to see me win, and you're a fan that do want to see me win, y'all the same type of fan. Because the fan had to pay to know who I am. The fan had to pay to know who I am. Now, if a person don't know if they don't know who I am, this is how I approach it. They be like, I don't know who Floyd Mayweather is. I said, well, it's a different type of money when you're dealing with me. You can't just have regular cable. You got to pay that extra.
You gotta have that HD money.
All right, let's go. That's it.
That high definition money. But she want me to give her a drop. She want me to give her a drop, man.
Okay.
My little cousin want me to give her a drop.
I'm gonna give you a hug.
I want you to get That's in the building, man. Maybe we'll be there.
And I love you.
I will too.
Money man.
Bernice Mayweather, the matriarch out of Grand Rapids.
You know, it all started right here.
He was my baby.
Now you know,
most of the kids.
this is the real where it all started from, right here.
Or grandma.
No, we can't say it started with the mother or the father. It started right here. Cause her, then you know,
Wouldn't be
nobody else.
okay.
And the same, you didn't know your granddad. Wasn't for your granddad, it wouldn't. No.
Oh, that's a whole nother story. That's a whole. We're not going with the after. We're not going there with the after.
You know how I do, baby. I'ma send them all home in style, baby.
That's what you did.
I'ma send them all home in style.
That's what you did.
When I go, I'm going in style.
Well, you know what? Hey, when I die, I want to have an open casket down to my feet.
Because she gonna be having some child shoes on.
And I'm gonna have a hat on.
We putting it like she want it. She want to go like that, then baby. We may make the inside of that thing chinchilla, but I said about me. I tell them, you know, you can bear me face down because the world can kiss my hands.
That's why I want
There we go, big bro, little bro.
I'm big boy boss, money man. You know what I'm saying?
And his lip balls, lip money.
Yeah, he that little money.
But on his way.
You know what I'm saying? But
Oh, yeah.
I got my eye on you.
Dynamite man.
My man behind you, he got the new boxing gloves coming out. So I got his gloves in my bag because I've been trying. Cause you know I'm the one that made winning famous. I made winning gloves famous.
Yes.
Come on. The bus man that comes.
Mush quiet. Mush ain't gonna say too much.
He's
Oh, he mush too?
That's what he was, Mush Bear.
Oh, that's mush number one.
You know this mush uno. We got mush dose.
Mush dose look like mush dose too.
We got mush.
He used to look like
We got nicknames.
Might not speak English.
This mush. You know, yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's little money. And we got what B?
When she gonna take our picture?
Yeah, that's what you call her, B.
Yeah, where she at? She don't want me because cause they shy. You know what I'm saying? Outgoing.
Yeah, we saw her.
Wishy-washy.
We saw her at the fight.
Outgoing sometime, quiet, other one quiet. And they trying to ask you, how do Mayweather got quiet kids? I'm like, no, the whole city where I'm from, they all talk a lot. So y'all come on. This fight hype coming to you live, this fight hype. It's gonna be unbelievable. I already know you're gonna get a lot of hits from this.